Hello everybody, today's video is going to be an unboxing and a review of the RS gaming chair, RGX gaming chair that we bought over at home at Office Depot. Let's get going.
Gaming by Real Space RGX gaming chair. I got this at Office Depot. It was on sale for $149.99, I believe. I think that's the right price. I did saw that they also had a black and red, but since our office is black and white, well, you can't really see, but well, the ceiling, the fan is black. I wanted this one. It says limited 5-year warranty. I did not get the warranty. You can buy it black and white, vegan leather, 100% plastic free packaging. It has added flip up arms, help accommodate any task, contour padding for extra comfort and support that is on your back, lower back, and seat height and tilt adjustment for optimal positioning. So that means you can lower yourself up and down. Durable caster with distinctive design. Durable casters with distinctive design. That is the feet of these. Saying these fancy words for pads on the rails of the tires. Let me see what else I could say about these. Besides that, that's how it comes inside of the box. My husband already took out the handles, the left and right. It looks like it's easy assemble, but who knows? They come in big envelopes. That's how it looks. Gonna assemble. That is the potting. I think that's the bottom for the big caboosums. You have your wheels. It. This little box comes with probably everything else. That's how this one looks. It has this little grip for your foot. This feels a little bit rubbery than this. This is pure hard plastic and rubber. This is faux leather. Did I say that? Yeah, it's faux leather, or what they call it, vegan leather. That's what I'm
mechanism on the bottom.
A little handy dandy box. Has the kit what hardware kit inside. These are the wheels. That's what basically it has.
No.
Plastic caps, bolts, Allen wrench, and L bolts. That's all. These are the wheels. These are the wheels, and then that's the bottom, the middle part of the chair.
There's no manual.
And there is no manual, so you gotta look at the picture and figure it out yourself. If you need a manual, good luck with that. That's one side of the box, and this is the other side of the box. So it has absolutely no instructions. That's your bottom. That's the bottom. That's garbage. I was wrong. Here's the manual.
What's that on?
Here's a big book for you to for you to see.
Oh, look.
What is that?
It was made, it was manufactured.
This year.
And this year.
Gaming chair. There it is. There's your manual. How to move the chair. Yep. So it does have instructions for you to build it. Haha.
For this part, it's very self-explanatory. You can look at it. You have the manual to look at it. I'm going to be a little bit faster of the normal speed. You literally just grab a bolt, you grab your Allen wrench, and you put it together. Basically, you put it in the hole, you put it in the appropriate spots, you tighten it, and all good to go. Yeah, if it was, is it easy to build and follow the instructions? Yes. Probably. If you don't have the strength in your arm to tighten it really well, then you would probably need somebody else to help you. But if you have the strength, you're a strong lady, you're a strong man, then you got it. You know, you don't need help. It's a one-man job. The wheels are just push. You push them through on the foot of the chair, and that's it. There's no like they turn, but you're not turning them, you're just pushing. All good to go, and the bottom is done. It's easy assembled. The manual and instructions have pictures and have words. If you want to read it, you can read it. If you want to see it, you can look at the pictures. Very easy to do. All the parts were wrapped up in paper. I like that. Everything was protected. For this part, you do need a second person to help you hold the back of the chair, just to hold it so the other person can get the right hole, like get leveled and go with the bolt in more direct. You do need a second person to do that, unless you can do it all together yourself.
Caps. And then this is for the little holes where the bolts were. You see this, so it seems less. And then let me put one here. You just push them in place.
I see the lighting. ¿Cómo se llama?
Okay, that's the plastic caps. It has the texture of the chair. I thought it was interesting. And that's how the chair looks. And the back has RX Gaming. That's the bottom. Nice turnaround. And I think it was good for 145 pounds.
275.
Oh, 275 pounds. You can lower, hold on. You can lever up, lever down, and pretty much like if you have a lower, not for that, but if you have a lower desk, this desk is a little higher than your usual desk, I believe, and that can go higher, or that's the lowest it has, almost touching the bottom, and it can go higher. And the handles or the arms can go all the way to the back in case you don't want them or free out of your way. Then it's like that back, or you can retrieve them. And this, the bottom, for you to move back, my goodness, I have a terrible model. For you to go back, it's just with your weight. So if you want to lean back, it'll lean back with your weight. If not, it'll stay straight. It doesn't have like a lever or anything for you to move it back. First impression, 10 out of 10. And he's going to sit for a while there and figure out if it's comfortable or not. Assembly, it was good. It was easy. We just recommend for you, when you connect the hand to the back part, put the bottom bolt first and then go for the top.
On both sides.
And yeah, on both sides. This of course went first, but from these two, put the bottom first and then the top.
Do not tighten this one up all the way on one side. That way you can slide the chair part of the chair back in there and you can play with it.
And that's your lever. For my weight, with my weight, nothing moves back. The arm length is about my arm length, probably shorter for a big. And ta-da!